am Priya from Mumbai. I came across this course, Hooponopono, on Facebook. It was a new word and concept for me, so I thought, let's give it a try. Actually, I was very depressed when I had joined this course. I was going through mental pressure. After joining the course, on the very first day, I noticed that my pain was vanishing. I feel lucky and blessed that I have joined this course. Shweta ma'am's voice is very soothing. She is the best teacher I could ever have. My perspective of looking at problems have changed completely. This course is definitely a try. I would definitely recommend this program to each and everyone so that they can live their life happily without any guilt. It was a wonderful journey with Shweta ma'am. I have learned 4 magical sentences for my life. Please forgive me. I am sorry. I love you. And I thank you. I would say it was a life-changing experience for me. Thank you, Shweta ma'am and the team members.